science. Javen, thank you for joining us.
Hi, thank you, Daniel. Hello, everyone.
Wonderful.
Very happy to join today's webinar.
Awesome. So I'm gonna dive right in here. I know everybody is short on time. Okay, so I want this to be kind of conversational, but I'm gonna ask a few questions and to sort of pick your brain on how you feel the blockchain industry is now and really where you and the BitMart team see this going. So my first question is really, who is BitMart and what is your mission?
Sure. BitMart is a premier global digital asset trading platform that integrates financial and investment services with a daily trading volume now like 800 million US dollars. And we currently offer more than 230 trading pairs and 4 trading markets with relatively low trading fees in the market. So BitMart provides diverse platform features such as not like spot trading, biggest one, and OTC trading and fiat payment. We opened this like a couple months ago, and also integrated coin rating platform supported by Token Insight and Rating Token. And also we also have the automated portfolio management tool like supported by NYNJA and Shrimpy, creating a more informative and transparent marketplace to investors.
Fantastic. So what would you say makes BitMart different from other exchanges? I mean, I know from NYNJA's perspective, we love the legitimacy of the platform. There are a lot of exchanges out there that don't necessarily meet the advertised expectations, and they certainly don't have the I would say the regulatory approvals and licenses to really fulfill what we would require. We were really attracted by that with BitMart. But what would you say makes you guys different?
Yeah, sure. We first of all, we have a world-class technical team, like with experts coming from Silicon Valley, so very strong background, and they help ensure a high, secure, and efficient matching engine, and also the wallet system, and also a user-friendly interface. And also, like BitMart has a restricted coin listing mechanism, so like with top project analysts, and also this will ensure like we only list the most valued and like with a stronger team in the project. So and also like we also do a lot of localized marketing strategies. For example, recently we have we work with some partners in Nigeria. We work with some partners in Vienna. Like we have a lot of joint ventures worldwide. We also have offline events in September 15th in Vienna. So and also as Daniel mentioned before, the compliance part. So we have a very strong compliance team and provide a full range of legal consultation and help to create competitive strategies within the current legal framework. So all of this like all makes us different, like differentiated by other exchanges. And also we're a combination of a spot trading like a altcoin trading platform and the fiat gateway, fiat trading market exchange. So means we will have more and more altcoins in the future, and also we'll have more and more fiat trading pairs in the future.
Brilliant, yeah. Okay, so you touched on only really working with good projects, but in your experience, you know, what do the best blockchain projects have in place to succeed? You know, how do they get that adoption and support and really the ability to scale?
Yeah, very good question. So I would say initially a strong technical capabilities. So which is definitely the foundation of any other things. And then second, we really need to find. I mean, we need to know there is a solid team behind the project.
Right. Yeah.
Experts from different industries that can make sure the company or the project will keep running into the right way. And besides that, because we also hope like we can have some project that they spend a lot of time to build their own blockchain ecosystem and communities and like bring more diverse applications into future.
Yeah, I think what a lot of people seem to forget, especially during the ICO period, that these are actually businesses at the end of the day, and they need to be run by professionals. It's not just a white paper and a dream. You actually have to execute on that vision, and that's where I think team definitely is a huge factor there. So what? So we kind of touched on this, but how does NYNJA fit that criteria? Would you say for you guys?
Yes, for sure. So why does NYNJA looks promising as a new coin? Well, I mean, NYNJA coin is a true utility token.
Yes.
So to be used in global e-commerce. So just as Bitcoin is a world currency adapted for global payments, and NYNJA is also like creating its own economy for NYNJA coins. So that in itself is a good sign, and that this will be a currency that has a use now and also for sure in the future, as it is more widely expected, just as Bitcoin has promised to do.
Right. Thanks. So we had almost 3 phases now in the blockchain market. We kind of had the ICO period, the IEO period, and now what is there now? Where are we now? What would you say the market looks like at the moment?
Yeah, so for sure the secondary market trends to be mature with an increasing number of professional, institutional players and like professional trading teams joining the blockchain industry, so making cryptocurrency playing a more and more important role. And also, as you mentioned, the ICO and IEO period. So let's say the difference between ICO and IEO is maybe IEO so firstly, like ICO currently, like ICO is one of the fastest ways to funding and expanding the market and building the community, because the community members are in the same place with the project, with holding their coin. And the IEO is like is even faster, because the exchange will help the project to make the community or share the traffic or users to the project. So it means like it saves some time for a project to like initially maybe like a couple months need to spend a couple months to do the marketing and build the community.
Build it themselves and spend all of the money. Yeah. So where is do you see those 2 modes of say startup financing, if we want to call it that? Do you see those continuing, or are they going to be replaced by another method? Especially with the regulatory framework is sort of ambiguous.
Yeah.
Because a lot of projects don't really know where to go or if they can do these things. Where do you sort of see it going?
Yeah. So the thing is like the token economy will keep going on. It's just the way people or the way company offering token may change by the time. Like for example, first like ICO and then like some company do the airdrop and then IEO, and currently like stable coins or ICO is also coming up right now. So maybe the way token being offered will change depends on like you said, like regulatory things or
right.
So like more and more ways will or even new ways will coming up. Like for example, STO is a good thing. Like under fully under compliance, and also it's also a very easy way for individual investors to put money in.
Right. Yeah. Well, with an asset-backed cryptocurrency. So that actually brings us to our next question, which is a really good segue. So, all right. So we've got Facebook and their Libra, but we've also got nation states really looking at maybe launching their own quote unquote stable coins or state-backed coins. How do you see the crypto market changing if countries and really large corporations get into this digital currency game? We really haven't had a truly massive player like Facebook in this space yet. Despite the total market cap of the cryptocurrency space being valued at close to $1 trillion, a couple of years ago, what kind of impact could that have on the market, do you think?
Sure. So first you mentioned stablecoins. So why stablecoin will change will play a very important role in this market is like cryptocurrency, like even Bitcoin or Ether, as a financial product is something that's great price, like fluctuations. So the price change a lot, even in the same day.
Yeah.
So the introduction of the stablecoin provide like individual users and also industrial players with easy and convenient ways to avoid those risks. They can come in and coming out anytime they want with very, like, let's say for some exchange, like in BitMart, if you want to sell your Bitcoin into stablecoin, it's just a simple click.
Right.
And also the high fees and strict restrictions in most fiat exchange will also make the stablecoins like play more and more important part in this market. So as this question you mentioned, like how the big players or companies or even governments will change the cryptocurrency market. So first, it's a very good sign. It's a good thing to have those like big companies or government involved in, because they have more power. They have more they have more ways, or it's more easy for them to expand this market or the cryptocurrency itself.
Sure. So, yeah, well, and they added the legitimacy to the entire industry, right? Because it's a bit different if you've got, say, Satoshi Nakamoto over here making his own cryptocurrency and then launching it across the world, than having Mark Zuckerberg saying, we're gonna and what is it, 50 other corporations signing on to actually help with the distribution of this coin, each investing $10 million a piece. Or something to that effect. Sorry. But that's
so as they involved in this industry and also like endorse the coin itself or the industry, like so the cryptocurrency will be known and be accepted by more like normal people and coming to people's daily life in the future.
Right. Exactly. Brilliant. Okay. So my last question, I'm actually going to ask in Chinese for a Chinese audience. Is that okay?
Okay, cool.
请你们原谅我啊。现在有谁在投资这些区块链的项目？最近有没有什么改变？有没有什么不同的情况
？Perfect. Daniel, you speak awesome Mandarin. 你的中文非常好。就谈到investing in cryptocurrency， 就是现在投资 cryptocurrency 的这些人，就我可以说现在已经非常的就是 diverse 了，已经非常多元化了。就当然了，有个体的投资者，我们说的 individual investors， 再就是那些机构的投资者， 以及一些就是像叫 trader 吧，就是那些频繁交易的，就是炒币的人，然后再就是很多专业的量化交易团队现在也在逐渐的进入这个，就逐渐进入这个行业，不管他们是做套利也好啊，或者说是高频策略交易也好，就是只能说越来越多的人和越来越多种类的人和公司在加入这个行业，然后就谈到是这个现象是否是被改变过呢？就是当然了，因为其实最早09年就Bitcoin刚刚出现的时候，就可以说那个时候知道的人很少，然后我那个时候也不知道，这个最初的那些在玩这个东西的人，可能更多的是那些 miner， 就是他自己会那个时候自己一台可能 PC 就可以打成一台矿机在做这个挖矿，然后同时可能也大部分都是些 developers， 然后在做这些事情，就是还是个很小众的团体。然后当然他们也构成了就是第一批这个就是算 cryptocurrency 的布道者，然后再到后来就随着这个Bitcoin进入更多人的视野，然后越来越多人加入到这个 trading 啊，或者说拥有这个 cryptocurrency 的行列中了，然后就可能会有更多的个体投资者或者说个体交易者在加入这个行业，然后再到可能近几年，因为随着行业快速发展嘛，然后很多的专业领域的这些人，就是或者更 professional 的 team 或者 company institutes， 他们就开始加入。
Things like this.
对。
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. So that's the end of my questions, guys. I'm glad we wanted to keep it under 20 minutes. So we've done a great job with that. That was a lot of content to fit in there. Javen, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and the time of the BitMart team. And all the best for the coming. Who knows?
Sure. Thank you.